What's crack lacking YouTube? I'm in my new city, just got my apartment, hitting a couple thrift stores. This is the area I'm gonna be moving over to, and we have been smacking already. So I will show you guys everything that I got here in 1 second. Okay, what's crack lacking YouTube? We're back starting this video inside with wet hair and a big old box. The wet hair because say goodbye to the luscious locks. I had to film one more little intro with my long hair, but it's getting buzzed off today, right after I shoot this intro. So drop a like for the appreciation of about 6 months of growing the hair out. It was a fun ride. Anyway, what a crazy start to this video. We will be doing some thrift store stuff later on in this video, but quickly, off the bat, I paid $65 for this box from an auction company over a month ago. Not a month, over 1 month. It took over a month for this box to get to me. I kind of counted it as a loss. I didn't think I'd ever see the box. I thought all this stuff was gonna be lost, and it was filled with NASCAR, vintage NASCAR clothing. So we got some bangers on hangers that I need to share with you to start this video off. The box is actually empty because I washed most of the stuff and I've already sold the 3 all over print NASCAR t-shirts, which I will show you here in 1 second. So this weekend I went to one garage sale and got some Harley stuff, and then I paid $18 for all the Harley stuff that you're gonna see. It was 9 pieces, $2 per piece. And then all of the NASCAR stuff, I paid $65 shipped to my door for that. So just keep in mind, if it's Harley, it came from the garage sale for $2. And if it's NASCAR, then it came from the auction house for a total of $65 shipped to me. So I just want to breeze through some of these crazy finds. The auction post was just vintage NASCAR lot. It didn't have really any specific pictures and no photos really. I saw this jacket and I saw one of the t-shirts and then some of the other little stuff. I had no clue what I was gonna get for this $65. But we'll start it off with this leather jacket. Crazy, crazy. This is actually reversible. The inside is satin. I think the inside is the same. Oh, it's not even the same thing. It's different, but it's like the soft windbreaker material, and the outside is the leather. So we got that. That's a crazy piece. That's like the $65 right there. Get my money back. We got a bunch of these windbreakers, stuff like this. Okay, here's another one. This is like a ladies medium. It does have the matching pants though to it, so that's cool. Another little windbreaker jacket, something very simple, very small. And then 2 of these fleece pullovers, 2 of these. And then this beauty. So this is the like actual Jeff Hamilton Racing Collection jacket. So this one goes for like $150. I'll throw up a comp. Size medium, but a crazy awesome jacket. I think I can pull like $150 out of this. And it's not even the craziest piece. Okay, hold up a second. From the garage sale with the Harley stuff, I got this Wrangler jean jacket. That was $2. I got a Harley t-shirt for $2. Another Harley t-shirt, $2, Cape Cod. Another Harley t-shirt, Full Throttle from Los Angeles. And then for $2, a Harley Davidson sweatshirt. Hold on, we're not done yet. I also got all of these hats. So again, the Harley hats came from the garage sale and everything else was included in the NASCAR lot. This hat alone is, if you look up comps for like Flames, this has a special name to it. It's like a $60 hat, so that's awesome. Then some nothings, some more nothings. What is that, Chevy hat? Another Harley, pretty cool. I'm losing them here. Another Harley. I just dropped a Snap-on hat. Another Harley, a racing hat, and a bass fishing hat, okay? And we're not done yet. Okay, so these are the kind of finds that get me out to source like every weekend. So we got a banger on a hanger, numero uno. Look at this crazy Winston Cup 1997. All over print, double-sided. Then we have the 1995 champion. Shout out to freaking Gordon, man. Jeff Gordon just absolutely killing the merch back in the day. Another crazy banger. And then my favorite one, the one to top it all off, is the Gordon Brickyard Are You Ready to Rumble all over print t-shirt. This one is an absolute grailer. I love the colors, love the graphic. And I sold them all. You guys gotta be on my Instagram because that's where I sell like all of the crazy stuff so fast. I posted all these up. Someone made me an offer for the 3 of these t-shirts, $175. I countered at $200. We sold it at $190. and I'm shipping these out right now, today. So these are sold, everything else is still available. Hey, if you want to bulk buy, if you want to buy all the NASCAR stuff from me, hit me in the DM at Bob Dabra. Okay, let's get on with the rest of this video. Look at all these old cleats. Nike Shark cleats. Super old, never worn. What would you guys do? Dang. There's more. Some Pumas. Dang. Dang. That's kind of crazy. That's actually kind of crazy. All right, guys, we absolutely killed it today. Got some really cool finds, some things that I've never seen before, some vintage Nike shoes, some cleats, probably from the, I don't know, 80s, I'd say. I'm gonna hold those for the end though. We got a bunch of stuff at the first store, so let's just dive into it. A women's Harley zip up, nothing too crazy. A simple essential Nike piece. This is pretty cool. The red M&M is the best M&M. We got a Sioux Falls 4XL. This is a 4XL. All right, we got a vintage Harley t-shirt. I spent a total of $44 at the store, and you'll see why here in 1 second. I also got this Nike windbreaker. You gotta follow me on Instagram. This Nike windbreaker already sold for 30 bucks. So I paid, I think $3 or $5 for this specifically, and it has already sold now for 30 bucks. Gotta love the quick flips. 2 pair of jean shorts. These are called the County Seeds. I've been having good luck with jean shorts recently, so I picked both of these up. The light wash pair and then the County Seat, the green denim. I think these are super cool, and these are my size too. So I might even have to rock those. Okay, and still at this first store, this is the crazy find. Something you don't see every day. Some dead stock Nike cleats. Get a close in on these things. So this is just one of the 4 pair that I picked up. These are called the Nike Sharks. Very old. These are starting to crumble if you're rough with them, but an absolute blast from the past. A wild shoe. So there's one of them. It's called the Nike Shark. Here's another one. This one still has the paper on the inside. This is called the Nike Strike Force. This is a track cleat. This one is starting to crumble as well. But man, just a piece of history. These dead stock Nike cleats, like, I wonder where these came from and if they have any t-shirts to go with them. I should have stuck around there and see if they had more, but there's one. Here's another one. These ones are pretty cool. These are Nike Sharks. Look at the inside of these. Just an absolute blast from the past. The bottom's never been worn. Nike Sharks, 7.5 lowriders right here. 2 more pair. Did I already show these? 2 more pair, okay? I got another pair of these little ones, I guess. I forgot about. And then these Reebok, the Big Hurt. These are freaking wild. I've always wanted a pair of these shoes, and I didn't even know they made the cleat version of these. But these also still have the paper on the inside. Just an absolute wild find. You don't find stuff like this every day. Dead stock cleats from the 80s. Super cool find. And that was the first stop of the day. Okay, at the second stop of the day, zoom in on these in here, I got 112 golf balls for $7. And you guys know I've been slapping the socks off with some golf balls this summer, so I definitely need those. So definitely had to stock up on the golf balls. The price was right. Here's a little Eddie Bauer Simple Essential. Now I did a copper drop post on Instagram that I will share with you guys right now. everyone was saying to drop this, guys. This is bread and butter, size large crew neck from Eddie Bauer. Bread and butter, store filler, simple essential. Got to pick them up. This was only $3, so you're definitely gonna make a profit on it. Got a vintage Russell Huskies crew neck. I know it's not crew neck season, but I've still been selling crew necks, surprisingly. Tommy is coming back. Another beautiful piece for the golf course, or just to rock and shock any casual day. And then of course another golf, this store was the store for golf stuff, I guess, because we got a vintage PGA Tour. Those guys are good. Graphic t-shirt right here. And that's it for today's thrifting adventure. We found a bunch of stuff at only 2 stores. That's all it takes. Sometimes it only takes that one store that you gotta find the goodies. So if you like this video and another thrifting adventure, don't forget to subscribe and spread some love down in the comments. And me and Louie, we'll see you on the next one.